Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will have an introduction to what is known as index notation. Alright, so previously we have learned that 108 can be written as 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. And we could actually write it as index notation where the 2 can be to the power 2 and the 3 can be to the power 3, so that it can be concise and we still know or have all the information. Same goes for 252. It can be written as 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 7, 2 power 2, 3 power 2, and 7. And so here, at this stage, I would like to introduce to you that this is actually known as index notation. So using 8 power 3 as the example, okay? When we say 8 to the power of 3, so the 3 here is actually the index. Or we also like to use the word power. They mean the same thing. And this 8 is then what we know as the base. Okay? And so A times A times A times A times A times A n times. N times means there's n number of power. A is actually the base because we are multiplying by A throughout. A times A times A, n times A to the power of n. And that's how we actually say things. Alright, so notations are symbols used to denote mathematical objects, operation, and relationships in a concise manner. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. And thank you for watching and have a nice day.